Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to use Capcut Cloud to sync your phone or Capcut on your mobile phone into the Capcut on your personal computer. So let's just open the Capcut application, and after we open it, now we just need to make sure that we know the account that we use for our project here by go click me. It will be show you the profile of the account. Make sure that you know the ID and the password of this account to log into the Capcut application. And after you remember the account information, go back into the edit part, and you just need to pick which content that you want to upload into the Capcut Cloud. So let's say here I would like to upload this. Go click these three small dots, and after that you just need to go click upload to space. And you just need to pick the folder. Let's say here I would like to do is a floral folder, and just go click upload. And you just need to wait until the uploading process is finished or done. You just need to take a look on this space here, go click them, and you just need to visit the folder that you are put your projects before. You just need to wait until the projects here is 100 fully uploaded, and whenever it's perfectly uploaded, now you just need to open your personal computer, open the CapCut and log in with your account here, and you just check and their CapCut Cloud, and you will got this project, and you just need to download or right away open to continue the work. So that's the way guys how to use the CapCut Cloud. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.